Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a really neat way to decorate your concrete planters. This technique is called hydro dipping, and it's actually just immersing an object into water that has a layer of acrylic spray paint on top. And I'm going to show you how I dipped about a dozen planters because I want you to see the different techniques involved that will affect the outcome of how the concrete planter is going to look. So if you come in at an angle, or you spin it while you're dipping, or even the spray pattern that you do on top, these will all affect the way it looks when you're finished. I went ahead and prepped all my planters ahead of time. I sprayed them with a white flat base coat so we'd be ready for this video. So go ahead and fill up a large tub or a large bin, and let's start dipping your planters. First, shake your paint can to get the paint mixed, and then spray the top of the water. It seems to work better if you spray slowly. The angle that you dip these, as well as whether or not you twist as you dip, will give you different outcomes. This one I twisted all the way around as I dipped. See how the twisting gave it a swirled effect? You'll notice that I'm trying to keep my fingers from touching the outside so that they aren't in the way of the paint. For this dip, I angled the planter more up and down and twisted it as well. It's better when you're dipping to dip slowly. This allows the paint to grab on better. The pattern that you spray will also affect the look. For more white space, use less paint. Here's one where I went straight up and down, which gives it nice vertical lines. When you're done and the planters are completely dry, go ahead and seal them with a concrete sealer.